it says x 1 divided by 3 is equals to 2 plus 15x minus 1 over 3. How do we solve this? How do we solve this? We're going to say, how do we solve this? All right, let's see. We're going to say x 1 over 3 is equals to 2 plus 5 x 15 x 1 over minus 1 over 3. All right, now let's recall. Recall says a minus 1 is equals to 1 over a. First, let's recall. Now, this is not an exponent. It's not an exponent. Let me write it very clearly. x1 over 3 is equals to 2 plus 15x minus 1 over 3. This is our equation. All right, let's recall. Exponent of minus 1 over a is equals to 1 over a. Now, let y is equals to x1 over 3. In these instances, we're going to say x is equals to x1 over 3 is equals to 2 plus 15 divided by x1 over 3. I hope you're following with me. Remember what we said, recall. Now, 15x 1 over 3 minus is the same as 15 divided by x 1 over 3. All right, we say y is equals to x1 over 3. Now, y is equals to 2 plus 15 over y. Now, y squared is equals to 2y plus 15. Where is this coming from? Now, in these instances, we multiply both sides by y. This one cancel this. Y squared 2y over 15. I hope we understand. This one time this is y squared. This time this is 2y. This times this is 15. So let's arrange this. Y squared minus 2y minus 15 is equals to 0. All right. We go further now. We say, let's factorize this. I'm going to say y squared minus 3y minus 5y minus 15 is equals to 0. So, y squared plus 3y minus 5y minus 15 is equals to 0. Now y plus 3 minus 5 y plus 3 is equals to 0. Now we we're going to have y minus 5, y plus 3 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 5, or y is equals to minus 3. But y is equals to x 1 over 3. So 5 is equals to x 1 over 3. Now 5 to exponent 3 is equals to x 1 over 3 times 3. This cancel this. This is equals to this. Now let's go to another page. Now we are left with x is equals to 5 exponent 3. X is equals to 125. 125. Now let's recheck our answer. Now our answer is, let's check. X 1 over 3 is equals to 2 plus 1 5. X minus 1 over 3. X is equals to 1 2 5. 1 over 3 is equals to 2 plus 15 multiplied by 1 2 5 to the minus 1 over 3. All right. Now we are having cube root of, from this, cube root of 1 2 5 is equals to 2 plus 15 divided by 125 to the exponent 1 over 3. So what's going to happen this time? We're going to say 5 is equals to what? 5 is equals to what? We're going to say 5 is equals to what? We're going to have 2 plus 15 divided by cube root of 125. Okay, now 5 is equals to 2. 5 is equals to 2. All right. Let's see what's going to happen. And then let's see what's going to happen. Cube root of 5 is of 125 is equals to 5 plus 5 divided by 15. 5 is equals to 2 plus 3. This is equals to 5. And then this is equals to 3. Now 5 is equals to 5. So it's no longer a question mark. It's proved. We have proved it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, positively. I'm trying to balance. I'm trying to refine my content. Thank you very much.